say blast, all the tires. Look, it's a surprise, don't deny it.
Hi. Hey. How y'all doing? Hey guys, welcome back to another life-changing, life-altering installment of Tea Time with Ayek. And I plead the blood of Jesus. My name is Ayek, and if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for joining us. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I know I've gone MIA a little bit. I started a new job and I'm really just trying to get acclimated to things. And I'm trying to take the channel in a new direction, and it's been really hard for me to take the step. So with that being said, today we have a lookbook and we are using one item of clothing. Let me get it. Using this lovely white tee, which you have seen before. I'm gonna put a picture somewhere over here. You've seen it before in my H&M haul, my second H&M haul. My first one, child, I don't remember. We do H&M hauls every day on this channel. I'm gonna be showing you how I would style this shirt, the different ways that I would wear it. This video is inspired by Tessie Juliet. I think that's her name. I'm gonna put the link to her channel down below. And we have different body shapes. And I feel like sometimes the girls need to see examples from the girls that look like them. So I'm gonna show you how that would look on girls of our size. This is a 4X, right? Hold on. Okay, this is a 4X. The fit of the top is pretty loose fitting. If you're closer to the ground, let me not say short. If you're closer to the ground, this would definitely be a dress. But as you guys probably already know now, I'm 5'7", 5'8", if I'm feeling frisky. So it is obviously not a dress on me. I'm doing all of this introduction because we're gonna do a voiceover, we're gonna do music, and I'm gonna show you each of the pieces. These are pieces or outfits that you can wear to various settings. And I stepped a little outside of my comfort zone. So celebrate me, appreciate me, all of it in one. Now let's get into it.
I got on me right now. Try to point at it. Pull up. We gon' do that. Pull up. Say pull up. Run it back. Say pull up. I said pull up. Wham. Say pull up. Wham. Say pull up. Yeah. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah, we get to it, got it stocked up, popped up, got a hand all.
All right, beautiful people, that is it for my white t-shirt lookbook. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some ideas. I'm feeling this look. I was gonna say go to bed. Come on, it's a bathing suit top. I can't do it. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye.
She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.